What's up, YouTube? Just got my brand new ATI Super Damper, part number 918047 for 2011 to 2014 Mustang GTs. Wanted to do a quick video on how these go together. I had trouble getting information online in regards to this. It did come with instructions, they weren't that clear. So I'm just gonna make a quick video on how exactly you're supposed to get these together. So you have an offset hole, so like a dimple, just marked on the balancer, and basically you need to line that up with the dimple they put on the hub right there. See that? So that's your first step. You got to get those lined up together. Now these really, when you put them together, you kind of got to go make sure you slide it in just right. This has a dimple here in the inside, so I can tell. But you kind of got to slide it in just straight, or you're gonna fight with it. Just get it slide. It's not quite straight. There. So once you get that far, this piece over here, there's 3 holes, 1, 2, 3. Those will line up with the 3 holes on this piece here. So pretty much you just go, get this lined up. There you go. So you got all 3 pieces together. Now flipping that over, oop. You have these longer bolts, they drop in and they made up with the balancer underneath, that last piece that just went on. So the longer bolts go there and there, because they go straight through and bolt into the last piece underneath. And then these shorter bolts here, they will, let me see if I can focus this thing. They will go in the remaining slots here and here. And if you notice, some are concave, so you can't really mess that up. So read the instructions, make sure you torque those down per the instructions on the manual itself. And then these would go, of course, in here. And when you tighten these, you really want to tighten them in a crisscross pattern, just like you would a tire or anything else that you need to center. So there you go. Just read the instructions, get your right tool, read your instructions, and tighten everything down to spec. And once you get that far, you should be ready to install it. Well, there you go. Hopefully that helps someone out. Like I said, I had trouble figuring out exactly how this thing was supposed to go together, especially with the dimple. The instructions didn't mention anything about that dimple. So just a quick video on how exactly that goes together. And then the instructions will tell you how to tighten down your torque specs and what tools you'll need. That's covered pretty clearly. Thanks for watching.